Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the tutorial. Today we're going to bring out some coins that are actually made for United States, United Kingdom, and what have you. Okay, so and not only them, you can buy it from every part of the world as long as you wish to invest on them and as long as you are a crypto trader. So stick with me from the beginning of this very video to the end, so that by the end of this very video, you will be able to understand those coins you need to buy and make rational profit in the nearest time. Okay. So the first coin I'm gonna go into mention is BTC. Do you know why? I talked about this BTC a couple of days ago. I know some people invested on it and some yet did not invest on it. So for those that invested on it, I am very sure you people are in profit now because it's actually surging. Like right now, it's ranging roughly 1117 now or more. So the first coin is BTC, and this BTC, as you all know, has a market capitalization of over 2.25 billion USD. Okay, it has a high market cap. So the market capitalization is over 2 billion USD. All right. So all you just need to do is to look at this coin carefully. Okay. Look at this very coin carefully. See it when the market stabilize and dive into it with some rational or reasonable amount of USDT so that you can make a reasonable profit from that. Okay. So you can take a look at it. I'll drop this. So you can look at the top hand right side there. You can see the chart of the BTC and the others. So make your own personal research so they can invest on it for a rational profit. So the second coin I'm going to mention is Asta coin. Okay, Asta was a baby in the cryptocurrency market. It was launched, I think, just a few weeks ago. So it was launched just a few weeks ago. You can look into the answer, and it also has a market capitalization of over 2 billion, which is roughly 2.575 224.589. So you can look into that carefully also, make your personal research, and dive into it to buy. If you're from this region of USA, UK, you can also do this in order for you to make a rational profit from it. Okay, so just make your own personal research and make sure you invest something reasonable so that you can make a rational profit. So the third coin I'm actually going to mention right here is XRP. A lot of us know this XRP. XRP also has a market capitalization of over 160 million USD, and a lot of people are currently investing on it. The last but not the least is Ethereum, ETH. You all know about it, and it has been also been doing well. So investing in this few cryptocurrency coin will make you a very rational profit. Okay, but all you just need to do is to make your own personal research. You can use the coin market cap as well for the research, and you'll be able to make something reasonable. All right. So this will bring us to the end of this very class. If this is your first time coming across this amazing channel, do subscribe as well. Like the video.